99% of factory managers don't realize this major security risk. Every day, unauthorized vehicles, unidentified individuals, and unmonitored activity create huge safety threats in factories. Traditional security cameras can't keep up. Poor lighting, slow response times, and outdated technology leave factories vulnerable. But today, a next-generation AI-powered surveillance system is set to transform factory security forever. How does it work? Stay with us, because this might be the most important upgrade your factory needs. Factories operate day and night, often in environments with poor or inconsistent lighting. Traditional security cameras struggle in these conditions, resulting in blurry, dark, or washed-out footage. But the ACTi A961, with its 1/1.2-inch sensor, 140 dB WDR, and 500 m laser IR, delivers crystal-clear surveillance even in total darkness. Picture this: a suspicious individual approaches a warehouse entrance at night, but normal cameras fail to capture their face. With A961's ultra-low light technology, every detail is sharp and visible, ensuring security teams can respond immediately. For factory gates, internal roads, and warehouse entrances, this is the ultimate surveillance solution. Imagine if your factory could automatically detect threats without human intervention. The A961 features built-in AI capable of license plate recognition, ALPR, vehicle detection, face tracking, and intrusion detection, making it ideal for factory entrances, production areas, and restricted zones. Here's how it works. If an unauthorized vehicle or unregistered person enters a restricted area, the AI detects it instantly and triggers an alert. Security teams can review the footage in real time, validate threats, and respond before an incident escalates. This isn't just surveillance, it's a proactive security solution that works around the clock. Factories rely on efficient logistics, but vehicle monitoring has always been a challenge. The A961 can track vehicles moving up to 120 km per hour, ensuring that all transport activity is monitored and recorded with pinpoint accuracy. Imagine this: trucks enter and exit the warehouse daily, but an unauthorized vehicle sneaks in behind one of them. Traditional cameras might miss it, but A961's AI-based tracking immediately identifies anomalies and flags potential risks. For internal factory roads, parking lots, and logistics zones, this is the future of industrial security and efficiency. Don't wait until your factory faces a major security incident. The ACTi A961 is already protecting industrial facilities worldwide, enhancing security, reducing risks, and optimizing logistics. Click the link below to get full product details and book a free consultation with our security experts. Take action now and secure your factory with the smartest AI surveillance technology available.